The arrival of the OnePlus 15 has been eagerly awaited by fans. As the launch date approaches, more and more leaks are appearing on the market. Here is a complete review of the OnePlus 15 that you need to know. The design of the OnePlus 15 looks more assertive and modern than its predecessor. Now, OnePlus has abandoned the round camera module characteristic of the 13 series and switched to a rectangular shape with rounded corners. This style makes it look in line with the OnePlus 13T line, but still feels more premium thanks to its industrial-style finish. The sandstorm texture, highlighted in the official teaser, gives a sturdy impression, while the micro-arc oxidation process on the midframe makes the body feel like ceramic. Additionally, the surface is claimed to be more scratch-resistant and less prone to deterioration, even with frequent use. In terms of size, the OnePlus 15 is approximately 8.1 millimeters thick and weighs between 211 and 215 grams. Interestingly, this phone is slightly thinner than its predecessor, despite having a larger battery. The display with a 1.15 millimeter bezel also makes it appear more spacious and nearly bezel-less. Some leaks even suggest that the signature OnePlus Alert slider has been replaced with a new action button that can be customized according to the user's needs. The OnePlus 15 is expected to feature a 6.78-inch BOE X3 LTPO panel with 1.5K resolution. The display supports an adaptive refresh rate of up to 165 Hz and a maximum brightness of 1800 nits. This combination makes the display feel very smooth when playing games or scrolling through the screen, and remains clear in sunlight. Dolby Vision support also enhances visual quality with more vivid colors and smooth gradations when watching HDR content. In addition to improved specifications, the OnePlus 15 is rumored to switch entirely to a flat screen. This change gives it a cleaner and more modern look, while also making it more comfortable to type on the edges of the screen. The flat design also makes it easier to use screen protectors without the risk of the edges lifting. Combined with ultra-thin bezels measuring just 1.15 millimeters, the visual experience feels more immersive and truly highlights the content on the screen. This smartphone is expected to feature three 50-megapixel rear cameras that are ready to deliver sharper and more detailed photos. The main sensor uses Sony LYT700, complete with OIS for image stability, while the ultra-wide and telephoto lenses use Samsung ISOCELL JN5. The telephoto lens has an optical zoom capability of up to 3.5 times, or equivalent to 85 millimeters, while the ultra-wide lens covers an area of approximately 15 millimeters. Although the number of megapixels is still the same as the OnePlus 13, the combination of new sensors and improvements to the image processing system are expected to deliver noticeably better photo quality. Its video capabilities have not been fully revealed, but it is likely that OnePlus will maintain the 4K 60 FPS standard while improving stabilization and dynamic range. The 32-megapixel front camera also returns with improvements to portrait algorithms and low-light performance for more natural results. Interestingly, there is a possibility that the collaboration with Hasselblad will be discontinued and replaced with OnePlus's own imaging platform. For its main processing power, the OnePlus 15 is expected to be equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, offering powerful performance for all activities. Support for LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage ensures high read-write speeds, with memory options ranging from 12 GB to 16 GB and storage up to 1 TB, depending on the region. For the gaming experience, OnePlus has prepared Wind Chai Game Kernel 2.0, which is claimed to be able to maintain better frame rate stability. A new generation cooling system is also prepared to keep the device temperature stable even when used under heavy load, while the massive haptics vibration effect and new generation dual stereo speakers make the gaming experience feel more real and immersive. In addition to performance, the OnePlus 15 also brings improvements in connectivity and additional features. The phone is IP69 certified for protection against water and dust, has an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor under the screen, and a USB-C 3.1 Gen 1 port with transfer speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second. Supporting features such as multifunctional NFC and an IR blaster add flexibility for controlling other devices. On the software side, Oxygen OS, based on Android 16, offers various AI features like photo detail enhancement, reflection removal, and smart notes. OnePlus has also added a new touch algorithm that remains responsive even when fingers are wet, making it more practical to use in various situations. A major upgrade has been made to the battery sector with a capacity of 7,300 mAh, which is much larger than the 6,000 mAh in the previous series. Support for 120 watts fast charging via cable and 50 watts wireless charging ensures that charging remains fast without having to wait long. New silicon carbon-based battery technology has also been developed to maintain long-term durability, allowing users to enjoy high charging speeds without worrying about rapid battery degradation. This large capacity makes the OnePlus 15 a potential flagship phone with one of the best battery lives in its class. If the optimization of Oxygen OS based on Android 16 goes as expected, including adaptive refresh rate settings on the LTPO display, the result will strike a balance between high performance and power efficiency. Users can enjoy a smooth display while also benefiting from long-lasting battery life, ensuring seamless daily activities without the worry of running out of power. The OnePlus 15 is expected to start at around $899, following the pricing pattern of previous generations. However, this figure is not yet official and may vary by region, especially if a 1 terabyte storage variant is released specifically for certain markets. For now, this price should be considered a temporary estimate until OnePlus announces official information, globally or regionally. In terms of availability, rumors suggest that the launch in China will take place on October 27, 2025, followed by a global release on November 13, 2025. Generally, the Indonesian market will be included in the next distribution wave after the global release.